Hi everyone, welcome back to our SheetCam tutorials. Today we will discuss about the important settings or the settings you need to do first time in the SheetCam so that when you make the G codes in the future, you don't have to set these settings again and again or every single time. Okay, so firstly, when you open the SheetCam, go to this option, View. Always tick all these options. These are simple options: show input paths, show segment ends, show path ends. When you import the drawing in the SheetCam, it will show these lines on the drawing. Okay, if you look at it, if I'm importing a file import drawing, I'm just importing this drawing corners.dxf. Okay, this is the file. And I am just making an operation on it. So you just know okay, this green line means the cut line. This is small or the start point showing ends. Okay, now the next setting you have to do is go to this options, application option. I am just giving you the important options. In the display option, always check this box, use bottom left coordinates. Okay, leave other settings as it is. Go to units option, select the units in which you usually work or you want to work. I usually use millimeter instead of inches. Angular units, degrees, feed rate, millimeter per minute, thread pitch, millimeter time in seconds. Third, you have to go to this drawing import options and always tick mark this option, remove duplicate lines, tick mark it. Just select OK. You don't need to change any other setting. Then again go to options, go to the machine. We are using plasma cutting, so we have checked this box, jet cutting. When you uncheck this, in the left side of the SheetCam display interface, you will not see these options, the tool and the operations options. So you have to make sure you have checked this option, jet cutting. Go to the post processor, output file, the G code. Do you want to have this G code in matrix or inches? This is your priority. I have my Mag 3 installed in my CNC machine, so I use in matrix. Set this Z0 to the top of work. Select the output file extension you want to use. I usually use tab file. You can use NC files, G code files, or whatever your machine have. Always remember to select the right post processor for your machine. My machine works with Mag 3 Plasma, so I have selected it. You can select your desired post processor from this list, or if you have different post processors, different machine, different interface, you can import a new post processor here. Import post. Okay, go to working envelope, select the size of the working envelope. I usually use 48 inches or 4.5 feet or 4 feet by 8 feet. Always select this left bottom coordinate, or if you want to use the coordinate with different XY position, you can edit here. Go to table display. I usually use it as 5 feet by 10 feet. My machine bed. Table display is the machine bed size of the machine bed, CNC machine bed. My machine bed is 5 feet by 10 feet. So I have written here. Select OK. Last option you have to set is job options. This is the size of the material. Normally we have 48 inches by 96 inches or 4 feet by 96 feet. 4 feet by 8 feet sheets here. So I have selected here. 48 inches is 1219 mm in millimeter, and 2438 in millimeter is 96 inches or 8 feet. Select this bottom left coordinate, thickness of material, rapid clearance. These options are you can edit it later. Go to parking option. If you want to park the tool at your desired position, for example, after cutting your tool, you want to go to the end of the machine, you have to select these options and select the measurement of the end of the machine where you want to place your tool after the cutting. So your tool should not be on the sheet after the cutting, so you can remove the sheet easily. So tool have to be the at the corner of the machine. So sometimes you have corner of the machine is at 4 feet or sometimes 4.5 feet. You can just edit the value here. Next, go to nesting. Just click on this option, minimize tool changes, and you are done with it. Select OK. These 3 to 4 settings I have shown you in this video are a must to do before making your first G code in the SheetCam. Okay, that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions. We will address in the next videos. Thank you very much.